In this video, you'll discover how to paint an organic pattern illustration in watercolor.
This is the finished artwork I will achieve by the end of this video. When the drawing is transferred, the tracing paper can be taken off and I can prepare for the imprimatura wash, which I will make using this round mop brush from Escoda. I pre-mixed a very light orange tint that will be used to cover the entire watercolor paper sheet. The purpose of this painting layer is to make the paper off-white. This plain wash starts with the first stripe of paint, which is loaded with enough liquid to form the bead. The board is tilted at about a 15-degree angle, allowing water to flow down. Liquid paint collects at the bottom edge of the painted area. When a nice bead is formed, I continue with the saw wash. This wash is made in multiple diagonal brush strokes applied in horizontal bands. Liquid paint flows down under gravity through the area of diagonal brush strokes,